Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As Valentine is coming, so I thought why not to share with you some DIY Valentine's gift ideas. I hope you will like this video. If you like, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. First, take a box of any size of your choice, then apply Mod Podge on all the sides of the box. Then take glitter, dip into it, and then start pasting it on all the sides of the box. Then finally something like this you will get. Then take floral foam brick, dip into water. Then take roses of your choice and then start arranging it as you like. And take any ribbon of the color combination of the glitters you have taken and then just decorate it as I'm doing. And if you wish, you can sprinkle some glitters over it and voila, it's done. Then take a cardboard and cut into heart shape. Then take red chart paper and make spirals like this. And then just start trimming it off till the end. You will get spirals like this. Then take any roller, a pencil or anything sharp just to give it a shape in the beginning. Then start rolling it again till the end. And you will start getting a roll like this. When you will reach the end, take this part to fix it with the glue. And then you will get these paper roses and make many. Then start sticking it on the cardboard heart shape cut. Cover it up with a paper and then start pasting the chocolates and these roses. And yeah, you will get something like this. For this, cut cardboard in a shape of a frame. Then cover it up with any paper you like. Then cut paper hearts and taking any designer scissor, if you want to, you can cut it something like this. Then take string. Then start hanging these hearts and the photograph of your partner with these mini clips, and I think it is very cute gift to give someone. For this, take a molding clay, flatten it. Then take a heart template, and if you want to, you can cut it into something like this. Then just place it over the clay and just start cutting it. Then take a bowl and place it into it. Let it dry. You can keep it overnight. And then you will get a good shape, something like this. And then spray paint it. And voila, it's done. For this, take a wooden frame. I bought it from a nearby craft store, or you can make it out of a cardboard. Then take your favorite photograph of him or her. Then start sticking it with a double-sided tape. And voila, it's done. I think it is really cute to gift. Take any empty plastic bottle, divide it into half and then start marking it 3 cm like this from all the round sides of the bottle. And then joining the 2 points together, which you have already marked, cut it into a V shape. Then continue cutting it from all the round sides of the bottle. And you will get a shape like this. This is because later you have to fold it towards inside so that it looks like a packaging. Then take anything his or her favorite, whatever you want to gift, just start adding and pack it as I've already shown you earlier. Then start decorating it with whatever you like. And then it is done. For this, take any decorated box of your choice. Then start adding these decorated papers. Then start adding whatever you wish to give him or her. What can be better than giving a written messages? Take an empty jar, then start writing reasons why you love him or her, so that he or she can read it every day. Use mini clips or mini rubber bands to tie it. Then add confetti and start adding these messages. Then decorate it as you like. And voila, it's done. For this, take paper cuttings. Here I'm making Mod Podge, mixing water with glue. Then start sticking these papers something like this until the complete balloon is complete. You will get something like this. Then prick the balloon. Then color it or spray paint. Then trim it, the excess or the untidy part. Take a container, spray paint it. Cut the straws in a diagonal shape and then start hot gluing it. And then start placing this paper balloon. Then start decorating it as you like and add the pictures of your partner. Then place the candies or the chocolates which you want to gift, and voila, it's so cute and I love this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.